Hi boys and girls, hope you are doing well. Today I am celebrating 5 days, 5 full days of being fully vaccinated. And I know that it takes 14 days to be fully vaccinated. Celebrating 5 days of fully vaccinated. Tonight I am going to feast myself. I need to walk to Kampung Baru, and Kampung Baru is a village just outside of the city center of Kuala Lumpur, and it is full of delicious Malay food. And it's only about 20 minutes walk from where I live. I am currently walking through the Saloma Bridge. The Saloma Bridge was completed in 2020. It is named after a very famous singer in the 60s. If you know the song, Selamat Hari Raya. So that was sung by singer Saloma, and this bridge is named after her. It was opened just before the pandemic in early 2020, and it's adorned with 4,000 different panels that will light up during the night. It's really beautiful, and it connects Kuala Lumpur city center with Kampung Baru. Now people who lives in the city center like myself, we can just walk from the city center to Kampung Baru, and I am going on a food hunt, show you all the fantastic delicious food in Kampung Baru. Let's go to Kampung Baru. Kampung Baru is actually the closest kampung to KL city center, which means Kampung Baru's land is very valuable, and it is estimated that the whole kampung is worth almost 2 billion now because of the land property and because of its proximity to Kuala Lumpur city center. But having that said, the kampung still retains a lot of heritage, and as you can see, local people still lives here for many of generations. This community is very vibrant and very friendly to visitors. So if you're ever in KL, you can just quickly walk here. You don't need a taxi, and see how Malaysian kampung looks like. And because the kampung is majority Malay community, they have developed some of the most delicious Malay food I know. That's where I am heading. I'm really dying for durian. It's July and it's durian season. I'm really dying for a good durian. Let's go hunt for some really delicious durian. Apa yang enak?
Yang ni biasa ada coklat, ada Nutella, jagung, kacang.
I nak biasa.
Biasa.
Ya.
Satu ya.
Boleh tak minta?
Okey, boleh. Apa balik?
Oh, I love a good apam balik. My God. Thank you. You sugar. Oh. So this, boys and girls, is Pak John Durian, and I always come to Pak John when I need durian. They have very good prices as well. So this is Pak John's durian store, which I always come for my durian. So Pak Ji is going to teach us to pick a good durian. Pak Ji macam mana? Goyang dulu.
Goyang dulu lah.
Goyang. So you must shake.
Ni untuk dia musang king.
Yang ini Busan King. So he said to shake, and then like this you identify as the Musan King. This is like the different durian type, right? You have the D2, you have Teka, you have Udang Merah, and then you have D101. Yang paling mahal mana? So the most expensive one is Mausan King, which translates to Cat Mountain King, right? So Cat Mountain King, as you translate, this is the most expensive one. Wow, look at that. Yum yum. It's like honey. It's like opening up and then you saw like gold honey. God, the smell is just unbelievable. Wow. So that's 75 ringgit for 3 kg. I brought my container. Very environmental of me. Oh, look at this durian. Gosh. Oh. Even with face mask, I smell it like a lot. Any D2. So this is a D2 durian. It's smaller, but I don't know. I'll taste it. Okay. Thank you.
Wow.
Yang Line. Normally at this time of the video, I'll be eating this durian, but because no dining is allowed, and so I'm just have to show you the durian. I don't know why durian has become a luxury item. This fruit is born in Malaysia, grew up in Malaysia, and it fell on Malaysian soil. So every Malaysian should be able to enjoy and afford a durian. So I don't know why it has become like a luxury item. Only Malaysian export the best durian outside of Malaysia. You know, Japanese people, they save the best for themselves. We really have to stop doing that. You know, taking our best resources, sending our best durians outside of Malaysia, that is a crime, I feel. So I'm outside of Soraya. This place is truly an institution here in Kampung Baru. They are packed with delicious local Malay food. They have the barbecue chicken, and I'm getting the sausage and dipped in their homemade chili sauce. And they have all sorts of nice dessert, Malay desserts as well. So if you come to Kampung Baru, Soraya is the place where you find really authentic good Malay food here in Kampung Baru. And the line is usually very long. I mean, we're in lockdown, but the line goes all the way there as well. So it's really crowded. So I'm just like staying away from the crowd for the time being. It's getting super crowded now. Dinner time is approaching, and this is when Kampung Baru really gets bustling. So I think it's time to leave. But before I leave Kampung Baru, there's still one more stop I need to go, which is satay. At Din Satay here in Kampung Baru, this is the place where I get my satay. Whenever I crave for satay, I will just walk from the city center to Din Satay, and they sell one of the best satay in all of KL, I tell you. And they are family run. They are family run, and all the staff are family members. And I tell you, their satay is super delicious. Okay, that was my dinner trip. Takeaway only, of course. I got my appam balik, I got my satay, and I got my durian, which is all I wanted for dinner tonight. I am going to feast like crazy. I've been really very disciplined for my eating, but really to celebrate fully vaccinated, I wanted to feast tonight. So I am going to do just that. I'm walking back to my home. Comment if you want. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!